Hey y'all, ever found yourself needing a bit of privacy or perhaps in a sticky situation where you need to throw someone off your trail on Life360? Well, you're in luck. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to fake your location on Life360. Let's dive right in. First off, why would someone want to do this? Maybe you're planning a surprise for someone, or maybe, just maybe, you're in a not-so-great situation where it's safer if folks don't know where you really are. Now, the easiest way to fake your location is by using a location spoofing app. These apps can trick your phone into thinking you're somewhere you ain't. For Android users, one of the popular choices is fake GPS location. For you iPhone folks, you might want to try Audi tools from ThinkSky. Here's how you do it. Download and install your chosen app. Open it up and simply select the location you want to show on your map. It could be anywhere from the next street over to another continent. Now, before you go jumping into it, keep this in mind. Faking your location might fool friends and family, but it ain't foolproof against folks with a bit more tech on their side, like law enforcement. Always use these tricks responsibly, and remember, safety first. And hey, for Android users, remember to enable your developer options and set your mock location app as the default. Otherwise, it ain't gonna work. All right, y'all, that's it for today. Next time you feel the need to keep your real whereabouts on the down low on Life360, you know exactly what to do. Stay savvy and stay safe. Thanks for tuning in, and if this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Catch y'all next time.